Another thunderstorm hit Metro Manila and Bulacan early this afternoon as thunderstorms were also experienced over Bataan and Pampanga as well as in Misamis Occidental, Zamboanga Peninsula, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi early this evening. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, September 10. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is still affecting across central and southern Luzon and the Visayas. Calabarzon, the Bicol region, will experience cloudy skies with moderate to occasionally heavy rains and thunderstorms which may trigger flash floods and landslides. While here in Metro Manila and the rest of the country, we'll have cloudy to moderate rain showers and thunderstorms. Moderate to occasionally strong winds blowing from the east will prevail over the extreme northern Luzon, and its coastal waters will be moderate to occasionally rough. In other parts of the country, winds will be light to moderate coming from the southwest to southeast with slight to moderate seas. And the low pressure area that crossed over the Visayas this weekend coming from the east has already left the Philippine area of responsibility this afternoon and is now moving towards Vietnam. We are now tracking another low pressure area approaching the country from the east. Though it's currently outside the Philippine area of responsibility, we will give you an update on this tomorrow through the Panahon TV weather forecast as early as 5 in the morning. And here is our 3-day weather forecast. For Metro Manila, cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms tomorrow until Thursday with temperatures of 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. For Metro Cebu, cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms tomorrow till Wednesday and partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms on Thursday with an average temperatures of 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. And for Metro Davao, it's the other way around with partly cloudy to cloudy skies with rain showers or thunderstorms tomorrow till Wednesday and cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms by Thursday with an average temperatures of 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. Metro Manila's hottest today at 11 this morning with only 31.3 degrees Celsius, while Lawag and Puerto Princesa City today recorded a high of 32 and 31 degrees Celsius, respectively. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:44 in the morning, while sunset will be at a minute after 6 in the evening. And for our astronomy photo of the day, a friend of mine texted me from Mindanao and asked me early this evening of the bright star just below the crescent moon. If you happen to have seen this too, that bright star is actually planet Venus. For those who will have clear skies by tomorrow after sunset, try to catch a glimpse of these naked eye planets, Venus and Saturn, with a crescent moon. Venus shines with a steady, unmistakable gleam, often called the evening star. It has been lingering above the western horizon after sunset for the past few months, and it will remain there in view through the end of the year. Seen through a telescope, the planet currently shows a tiny football-shaped disk. Tomorrow night, September 10, will be seen next to planet Saturn on its right side as a yellow star that doesn't blink or twinkle. Using a decent telescope, it shows Saturn's magnificent ring system and some of its moon. While planets Jupiter and Mars are now visible over the eastern skies hours before sunrise. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, September 10. For News Live, this is Edmond Rosales, giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.